We're at Snow Basin, but we're not skiing today. Parking lot's full, but we got a spot right across from the trailhead. We're gonna head down the Ogden Canyon Overlook Trail, or the Sardine Loop. We got snowshoes in our backpacks and cleats on our feet. It's pretty well packed down. We might get up far enough that we might need snowshoes, but I doubt it. This trail's been pretty hit for the Christmas holiday. A little more snow this time. Still isn't covering up the bushes, but it's only December 31st.
Medicine he needs or not.
Yeah, we made it to the top. And hour and 11 minutes, that's not bad. Look, the trail over to Sardine, we can go snowshoeing that way next time. And the trail to Ogden Canyon Overlook, it's been used a little bit. Not bad. All right, that last year the snow was almost over the top of that pole right here. Wow. We got a little more snow to do so far this year. Oh, but the valley, look at the mountains. They're all covered with white. It's so pretty at time of year. So pretty. But yeah, don't look like many people have hiked over the Sardine Loop with snowshoes on this year. Pretty day. Hour and 11 minutes up here. That's pretty good. Cooled off a lot going down. Got a little bit of a branch that fell down here in the middle of the trail. Afraid it's going to be there for a while. All right, we finished our hike just now, and 2 hours and 26 minutes. It's 2:22, 4.23 miles, and it's getting cool at this time of day as the sun goes down. But we're going to see if we can beat the crowds out of Snow Basin here.